Hey there, road warriors and car lovers. Ever feel like your car speaks a language you just can't understand? Well, today we're breaking down the barriers and making car maintenance as easy as pie minus the grease stains. Let's dive in. Checking your oil levels, keeping your car's engine oil at the right level is crucial for its health. Think of engine oil as the blood running through your car's veins. Without it, the engine will grind to a halt. Imagine planning a road trip, but midway your car starts making weird noises and eventually stops. Turns out you hadn't checked the oil level in months, and now you're stranded on the side of the highway waiting for a tow truck. To avoid this nightmare, check your oil at least once a month. Pop the hood, locate the dipstick, pull it out, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and then pull it out again to check the level. Make sure it's between the minimum and maximum marks. If it's low, top it up with the correct grade of oil. This simple check can prevent major engine damage and keep your car running smoothly. Tire pressure and rotation. Proper tire maintenance is essential for safety and fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires can cause poor handling and reduce fuel efficiency, while overinflated tires can lead to a harsh ride and increased wear. Imagine you're driving on a rainy day and suddenly you lose control because your tires are underinflated. Scary, right? Use a tire pressure gauge to check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long trips. Also, rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. This can extend the life of your tires and improve your car's performance. Remember, maintaining proper tire pressure not only keeps you safe, but also saves money at the pump. Battery maintenance. A dead battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible time. Picture this. You're late for an important meeting, you jump into your car, turn the key, and nothing. The battery is dead. To avoid this, check your battery terminals for corrosion regularly. Clean them with a mixture of baking soda and water using an old toothbrush. Ensure the terminals are tightly connected and free from any rust. Additionally, consider investing in a battery tester to check the health of your battery. If it's over 3 years old, it might be time for a replacement. Keeping your battery in good condition ensures that your car starts every time you need it. Changing air filters. Your vehicle's air filter allows clean air to enter the engine for combustion. If the air filter gets clogged, your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency can suffer. Imagine you're driving up a steep hill and your car feels sluggish and underpowered. The culprit? A dirty air filter. Change your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or more frequently if you drive in dusty conditions. It's a simple task that can be done at home with a few basic tools. Open the air filter box, remove the old filter, and replace it with a new one. This small step can significantly improve your vehicle's performance. Brake pads check and replacement. The brakes on your vehicle are among its most essential safety components. Regularly check your brake pads for wear and tear. If you hear a squealing noise when braking, it's a sign that your brake pads need attention. Imagine driving in heavy traffic and realizing too late that your brakes aren't responding as they should because the pads are worn out. Most brake pads have wear indicators that make noise when it's time for a replacement. Don't ignore the sound, it's your car's way of asking for help. Replace the brake pads promptly to ensure your brakes are always in excellent condition. Coolant check and top up coolant, also known as antifreeze, helps regulate your engine's temperature. Picture this, you're on a summer road trip and suddenly your car starts overheating. You pull over and steam is pouring out from under the hood. Checking your coolant level regularly and topping it up if necessary can prevent this scenario. The coolant reservoir is usually a clear plastic container with minimum and maximum markers. Ensure the engine is cool before opening the reservoir cap to avoid burns. Using the right type of coolant for your car is crucial, so consult your owner's manual. Proper coolant levels prevent overheating and keep your engine running smoothly. Diagnosing engine issues. Sometimes the problems your car may be experiencing aren't immediately apparent. Warning lights on your dashboard are there for a reason, so pay attention to them. An OBD2 scanner can be a lifesaver. Suppose the warning light on your vehicle's dashboard comes on and you have no idea what could be wrong. Is it a minor issue or something more serious? The OBD2 scanner plugs into your vehicle's diagnostic port and reads error codes from the car's computer. These codes can help you identify the problem. Whether it's a loose gas cap or a more serious engine issue, addressing problems early can save you from expensive repairs down the road. Understanding warning lights. Understanding warning lights on the dashboard can be confusing, but they are essential for early problem detection. Some of the most common warning lights include the check engine light, auto pressure light, and battery warning light. Imagine you're about to embark on a long journey and a light suddenly appears on your dashboard. Don't panic. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual to determine what the light means and take appropriate action. Addressing warning lights promptly can prevent more serious issues from developing. Quick fixes and hacks. Let's talk about some quick fixes and hacks that can save you time and money. Got a small dent? Pour hot water over it and use a plunger to pop it out. It's a quick and easy fix. Imagine coming out of the store to find a small dent in your car door. Instead of spending a fortune at the body shop, you can fix it yourself in minutes. Foggy headlights. Use toothpaste and a bit of elbow grease to make them shine again. For corroded battery terminals, a mixture of baking soda and water will clean them right up. Another handy hack. If your wiper blades are smearing, try cleaning them with rubbing alcohol before replacing them. These simple tricks can help you maintain your car without breaking the bank. Regular servicing. Regular servicing is key to keeping your car in top shape. Follow your manufacturer's service schedule and take your car in for regular checkups. During a service, mechanics will check vital components like the engine, brakes, and transmission, ensuring everything is working correctly. Regular servicing can catch small issues before they become big problems, saving you time, money, and stress in the long run. Imagine skipping a service and later finding out you need a costly repair that could have been avoided. Stay proactive and keep your car in excellent condition. Wiper blades maintenance. Visibility is crucial when driving, and maintaining your wiper blades ensures you can see clearly during rain, snow, or sleet. Imagine driving a heavy downpour with wiper blades that smear water across your windshield instead of clearing it. Check your wiper blades regularly for signs of wear, such as cracks or stiffness. Replace them at least once a year or sooner if they're not performing well. Cleaning them with a bit of rubbing alcohol can also help extend their life. Good wiper blades can make a significant difference in your driving safety. Keeping your car clean. Regularly washing and waxing your car not only keeps it looking good, but also protects the paint from the elements. Imagine coming back to your car after a long winter to find the paint chipped and rust forming due to accumulated road salt. Washing your car removes dirt, grime, and salt that can damage the paint and cause rust. Waxing provides a protective layer that helps maintain the car's shine and shields it from UV rays and contaminants. A clean car not only looks great, but also retains its value better over time. Interior maintenance. The inside of your car deserves just as much attention as the outside. Keeping the interior clean and organized makes driving more pleasant and can prevent wear and tear. Imagine stepping into a car filled with clutter and crumbs. It's not a pleasant experience. Regularly vacuum the seats and floors, wipe down surfaces, and use protectants to keep the dashboard and leather seats from cracking and fading. Using air fresheners or placing baking soda under the seats can help keep the car smelling fresh. A well-maintained interior contributes to a more enjoyable driving experience and maintains the car's resale value. Checking belts and hoses. Belts and hoses are vital components of your car's engine, responsible for various functions like running the alternator and cooling system. Over time, they can wear out and crack. Imagine driving on a hot day and suddenly your car overheats because a hose burst. Regularly inspect belts for cracks, fraying, or glazing, and hoses for leaks, bulges, or splits. Replacing worn belts and hoses before they fail can prevent breakdowns and expensive repairs. Keeping these components in good condition ensures your car runs smoothly and reliably. Fuel system maintenance. Your car's fuel system needs to be clean to run efficiently. Over time, fuel injectors can become clogged, affecting engine performance. Imagine stepping on the gas and your car sputters instead of accelerating smoothly. Using a fuel system cleaner can help remove deposits and keep your engine running efficiently. Additionally, changing the fuel filter regularly ensures clean fuel reaches the engine. Maintaining the fuel system not only improves performance but also helps with fuel efficiency, saving you money at the pump. Suspension and alignment. Your car's suspension system and proper wheel alignment are crucial for a smooth and safe ride. Misaligned wheels can cause uneven tire wear and make your car pull to one side. Imagine driving on a straight road but your car keeps drifting to the left. Have your suspension and alignment checked during regular servicing. If you notice uneven tire wear, a crooked steering wheel, or if your car pulls to one side, it's time to get an alignment check. Proper alignment ensures even tire wear and improves handling and fuel efficiency. Lighting and indicators. Ensuring all your car's lights and indicators are working is essential for safety. Imagine driving at night and your headlights suddenly go out. Regularly check that your headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights are functioning correctly. Replace any burnt-out bulbs promptly. Cleaning the lenses can also improve visibility. Properly functioning lights not only help you see better, but also ensure other drivers can see you, reducing the risk of accidents. And there you have it, folks. With these tips and tricks, car maintenance doesn't have to be a daunting task. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips, reviews, and automotive news. Share your thoughts and any tips you have in the comments below. Keep driving and keep dreaming. Until next time, stay safe on the road.